Hey Excel users, how are you? I have recently uploaded a video on pivoting, and most of my subscribers, new subscribers, came asking that you should add some video to audio to it. I'm not a good speaker, but let me try speaking. Mix of English and Hindi. So आपको मालूम है कि ये एक सिनेरियो हमें एक्सेल में हमेशा रहता था कि मेरे पास अनपिवटेड डेटा रहता था और मैं पिवट बनाता था बट lately there has been a scenarios or requirements where you get pivot from somewhere else or pivoted data, or in fact your own data could be in a pivot, like you have months across the columns and you want to bring it in a analysis format so that you can do further analysis, which is not possible with this kind of data over here. So this is my original data over here. It's like something like there are text areas and then there are data areas which need to be unpivoted, and those lines have their own headers, right? This is the format you want. It was not natively possible in Excel. You might be using Power Query or some other softwares to do that, but like um, with Excel's new functions like lambda, reduce coming in here, stacks, all those things, they are making life incredibly better for all of us Excel users. So how I did that is, this is the tech, this is the lambda I have created. Maybe like you can use, copy it across and define name, define formula, and then use it across your worksheets or workbooks over there. So I have created a formula with a name unpivot. It asks for table range, which is this thing, and then I provide the unpivot range that need to be unpivoted, and then you have to provide a table unpivot header. There you go. Enter. There is my data over here. As simple as that. No further working on it every time, refining, nothing to be done. You might just need to provide a header over here, which also you can add into your lambda if required, but since they keep changing, it's better just copy it from there. As simple as that. Let me know how you liked it. If you have any such more problems in your life, in your Excel life, let us solve together. I would be interested in doing that.